Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A72. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with the name. So quickly we'll open the box. First, you can see the hidden lid. And at the back, we have a SIM ejector tool. Inside it, we have documentation like a quick start guide, region lock guide, and warranty card which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. Next, we have Samsung Galaxy A72 comes with a punch hole display. The phone looks amazing. The phone has a 64 megapixel quad camera setup at the back. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. At last, we have a 2-pin wall charger with 25 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy A72 box. Thank you so much for watching the video.